This game involves an element of financial risk and may be addictive. Please play responsibly and at your own risk.
Coming to the IPL, Surya, Mumbai Indians, you all have taken the IPL stage by storm. Why does Mumbai Indians keep winning? What is the secret?
uh, I think it's nothing. I don't think it's anything very different here. Here the owners, the support staff, they try and keep things really simple. The only thing is they provide us with uh, best things, whatever is required for a player to perform on the field. They take care of everything off the field so that the player is not having any burden when he goes on the field and performs. Right from uh, practices till taking care of the families. I think these are very important points which no one actually feels. But family is the most important part of your of most important part in your life. So when they travel with you, when they spend time with you, so even result doesn't matter on the field on the game days. When you come back to your room, go back to the team room, the result doesn't matter. I mean, you completely get refreshed. You don't think about the matches. You just spend time with them. There's a lot of positivity around. That's, I think, one aspect which they have touched really well, and really important factor in a sportsman's life.
In your case, I have seen your photographs, even your social media profiles. It's you and your wife, which is tremendous to see. That kind of bonding. So, am I right in saying that in situations like this 2021 second COVID wave, etc., but because you have family in that bio bubble, life becomes that much more pleasant? Is that your support system? Am I right in saying that?
100%, Boryada. Because the thing is, if you come back to your room during these pandemic times and you're alone, how much you will watch movies on your phone, how much you will spend time to watch TV. You need someone to relax your mind, because hundreds of things run in your mind when you're sitting alone in the room. So to calm you down, uh to make you stay in present, I think that partner's role is very important. Family's role is very important during these times. Otherwise you get to in other times you get to go out, you get to spend a lot of time focus on other things as well. But during these times, I think staying with your family, staying with your partner, when you come back to the room, I think it's a blessing in disguise.
Last three before I let you go. One, you've mentioned to me in the past about Rohit. He comes across to me as this guy who's very calm, cool, composed, as a captain, as a friend. How has Rohit Sharma been with you? I mean, the two of you, when on the field, you guys seem a very happy bunch to me, and that's great to see. So, Rohit Sharma as captain and leader.
uh I think he's been doing an amazing job. Yeah, because result shows on having 5 titles with Mumbai Indians. Result is there in front of everyone. But I think off the field, his character is completely different. He's very fun guy to be around. Off the field, on the field, yes, everyone has seen him, how he handles the situation, how he's there for everyone. But off the field, I think most importantly, he's the perfect guy to be around. He jokes around, and even there he has a lot of knowledge to share to every cricketer out here. So this is a very uh, good point about him, which makes him a little different.
Who's funny? Is Hardik funny? He comes across as these making these quirky statements, cheeky statements, funny statements. How, I mean, my interactions with Hardik during my interviews with him, etc., he comes across to me as quite a character. So just give me a sense of the dressing room. Like, you are also a funny sort. I mean, aapko dekh ke lagta hai you are this, you are this happy-go-lucky kind of fellow. So how is Surya Kumar Yadav off the field, and how is the dressing room?
Off the field, our dressing room is completely opposite. The way you will see us on the field, it's completely different what you will see off the field in the dressing room. In dressing room, there are a lot of guys who make the dressing room atmosphere really funny. Like there's Hardik Pandya, there's Ishan Kishan, there's Kyron Pollard, then
Aaron
there's
Pollard also?
yeah, everyone. You'll If you see the other side of them, you'll get shocked. So there are a lot of characters in the dressing room that's why I said the result on the field doesn't matter. If we win, yeah, the atmosphere is nice, but in here, if we lose, we try and keep the same atmosphere so
Tremendous.
that, yeah, so that when we go into the next game, we know what we have to do. After winning, if you celebrate too much, then you become a little complacent when you go in the next game. If you be the same way, irrespective of the result, then you can bring your A game every time, every game you play.
So last two, Surya, one. Now that you have excelled for India, the world has seen what Surya Kumar Yadav can do. Will IPL 2021 be tougher? How are you approaching this year's tournament?
I've been going the same way. See, the preparations have not changed a bit. What I've been doing the last 2 years, what I've been doing before the India-England series, I'm doing the same thing here as well. As I said, quality practice matters, and I'm doing the same thing, doing small things right, and but very excited for IPL 2021 to go ahead.
And okay, that was a politically correct answer, which is not Surya Kumar Yadav, but you कैसा था जानते हो? ये जोफ्रा आर्चर वाला डिलीवरी था. आप you took pity on him and छोड़ दो यार. It was like that. वो मत करो. Because clearly this year when Surya Kumar Yadav walks out to bat, people will no longer say, oh, Surya has to get an opportunity, but people will say Surya Kumar Yadav has to finish a game. Surya Kumar Yadav has to win it for Mumbai. You mean to say that is not pressure?
Yeah, of course, that is pressure, that is butterflies in the stomach, but it has to stay that way because if there's no pressure, there won't be fun winning games for the team. And as you rightly said, I would like to increase the percentage of my knocks, which has helped winning Mumbai Indians, and try and win more games for them, try and bat as deep as possible, which I couldn't do that much last year. But I would like to increase the percentage this year and make more mark.
Surya, last one. Has T20 cricket, especially thanks to the IPL, so two parts to this. One, has T20 cricket as a whole changed? I mean, the approach, for example, you showed. You went out there, you started hitting, you maintained a certain strike rate, India got to 200 plus, etc. So, has the nature of approaching the game changed? That is question number one. And question number two is, how much has the IPL contributed to Surya being the cricketer that Surya now is over the last couple of years?
I think this sport demands quick reaction. As everyone says, T20 cricket is very fast, but what I feel is you get a lot more time than you think in this sport. Even this sport allows you that extra second. Gives that extra minute for you to think in this sport. So yes, it is fast, but at the same time, you get a lot of time to think also in this sport as what is going to be your next step, how you are going to tackle these situations. Firstly that, and yes, IPL has helped me a lot because you play against so many international bowlers. It's almost an international stage where you go out into bat in front of so many people. You play against the best in the IPL, best captains, best bowlers. So yes, it has changed me. It has given me a lot of good experience. But at the same time, I can't forget from where I have come. The grassroots level, the domestic cricket, where the grind was even more. So those things I can never forget. But yes, IPL has given me good experience. It has taken me one step ahead, and I would really like to go even further. Keep stepping ahead, keep learning more, and keep delivering more and more beautiful knocks.
I'll finish off on this, Surya. I'll say two things to end. One, you bring smile to our faces. You make us happy the way you play. And at these times, negative, COVID, etc., believe me, that is tremendous joy. And you are one who has this innate ability God has given you to bring smile on the faces of people. More power to you, more strength to you for that. And okay, I'll wish you the best for the sixth title, because in IPL every day India wins, and that for me is the biggest takeaway. Frankly, that every day India wins, which is why I go to bed happy. So have a great IPL. Keep entertaining us. Keep smiling. Keep enjoying. And post the IPL, you've been difficult to give me this interview right through the England series. I've been chasing you. Finally, you've given me time. But I'll keep bugging you right through the IPL. Once you win again, I will again ask you for some time. But till then, all the best, my friend. Very, very pleased for you. Very happy for you. But as I said, the world is now your oyster. Thank you for speaking to me.
Thank you so much.